All right, let's take a look at this lick in D now. So this lick really starts out kind of around the open D major chord shape here. So we're going to be using a lot of these notes to start with. So we're going to start with 2nd fret high E to open E. And then on the B string, we're going to the 3rd fret to open. And then on the G, we're going 2nd fret to open. Right, so it's going to be... And I'll play my index finger on the high E, and then my middle finger, and then back to my index finger again on the G. Then right after we hit that open G, we're going to hit 5th fret G to 2nd fret G to 5th fret D. Right, so we're doing kind of like a 4 fret stretch right there between our index finger and our little finger. And then we're just going to kind of, in a way, kind of plant our index finger on that G string 2nd fret. Right, so we're kind of planting that index finger there, and we're playing that 4 fret stretch with our index and our little finger. And then right here, what we're going to do is we're just going to take our middle finger. We're still kind of in this 4 fret position here with our index finger planted on that 2nd fret G. Right here with our middle finger, we're going to place it on the D string 3rd fret to 4th fret. And then open. Hit that 3rd fret A right there. So right after we play that downstroke on the open D, we're going to move down with our index finger to the 2nd fret A, and we're going to play a pull-off. And that pull-off is going to be over the transition between the 1st and the 2nd measure here. Okay, so that 2nd fret to open A pull-off is going to end on an upstroke on the open D string. And those are actually going to be 2 upstrokes, so the pull-off is going to be on an upstroke, and then the open D is going to be on an upstroke. And then we're going to play what is kind of just a classic bluegrass run in the key of D. And we're going to start on that 1st fret low E on a slide. So we're going to slide up from 1 to 2, go to the open A, and then there's a pull-off there in the same position that we did during the transition between the 2 measures, the 2nd fret A to open D. And we're doing that just to maintain our alternating picking pattern here. Right, and you can kind of hear that classic bluegrass run there right at the end. Okay, let's play this riff to the metronome all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four, 2, 2, 3, 4.